Hello everyone. Previously, we had discussed on the packaging and modules, right? So today we'll be discussing on the file handling and serialization. I just did a video basically. I just did a video. It was having certain problems. It got stuck actually. So I have already done. I'll just explain, right? So I'll not type for this one particular this thing topic. I'll just explain. So I just did a video. So it got stuck actually. Due to some problem, right? So I was having some problem with the video, so I thought of deleting that video and making this one again. So I just type this one now. I'll just explain the things, right? So here, file handling in the Python, basically it allows the reading and writing to the files using functions like open, read, and write. And what about the serialization? Serialization is the process of converting Python objects into the byte streams, right? Byte streams. So this we can, or JSON, we can just call we can just go with the JSON as well, right? So for storage or transmission, right? So let's discuss some important points here. File handling modes include R is nothing but for read, W is nothing but for write, A for appending, B for binary, and X for exclusive creation. So we can open files using the open, and this one open as F, open something accordingly with the criteria will write something, this one whatever the condition, accordingly with the condition as F, to ensure the auto closing. And serialization is done using these two. Basically we can just make use of the pickle, or we can just go with the JSON. Pickle for the Python native binary format, not human readable, and JSON for text based format, human readable and language independent, right? So initially we have imported JSON as well as the pickle. First what we are doing, we are writing we are writing something into the sample1.txt file. So see here, we have the sample1.txt. So I have written hello from Bharadwaj and hello, welcome to the file handling. See here, f.write I have made use of, as f I have given, right? F.write hello from Bharadwaj and welcome to the file handling. This is what we are writing to the sample1.txt file. Sample1 because sample.txt I have made use of this one, sample.txt, in another example, right? This is fine. Now we have to read, right? We have successfully written written using f dot write here, using f dot write. So now we have to read this one, right? So in the output we are getting hello from Bharadwaj, right? Hello from Bharadwaj and welcome to file handling. We have to read. For reading, so we will be making use of the keyword R. Same thing with open sample1.txt. Instead of write we have already written, for reading we'll be making use of R, right? As f, content equals f dot read I have given here, content equals f dot read I have given. We are making use of the read here. So print file content along with the content, right? So here we are getting the welcome to file handling, right? So hello from Bharadwaj, welcome to file handling. These two things, right? This is fine. This is for the this one, writing and reading and writing, right? So we can go with the append and binary as well. This one we can just go with that as well. So these two things we use it quite often. uh, we these two things we make use of it, read and write quite often, yeah. So I have made use of the R and W, right? So you can just write out with append as well as the append binary as well as exclusive creation. You can just go with that as well. So next I have went with a JSON. So this data I have included name Bharadwaj, age 31, languages Python, Java, and JavaScript. So this is nothing but the JSON format, right? So this is nothing but JSON. See here, we are going with a JSON.dump, right? So with open data.json, data, this one data we have in the form of object, right? So name Bharadwaj, age 31, languages, these are all the languages Bharadwaj knows basically, right? This is fine. Loaded underscore data variable name. So we are making use of the JSON.load to the file. So now when we give here loaded data, so we are just reading here. We have already written, sorry, this one we have already written here as if to the file json.dump data comma if we are making use of. Here we are, when we read the data, so we have to get the output in the JSON format, nothing but name Bharadwaj, age 31, languages, these things. So this is what we are getting here, output JSON loaded, because JSON loaded because we have included JSON loaded within the strings here, right? And colon, then this one. So this is just to differentiate between JSON and pickle. So I have given JSON loaded within the strings, right? So same thing goes with the pickle. Line number 37, this is about the pickle, right? So this is about the pickle, basically data.pkl I have made use of. Instead of data.json, what I have made use of JSON, this one data.pkl extension, right? So this one is nothing same as W here. Instead of W, we'll be going with a WB, nothing but write in the binary format. Here, while reading the definition, I said the same thing to you, right? So B is nothing but the binary. And also I had mentioned one thing here, I think, yeah, pickle, this is for the Python native binary format, not human readable, and this is for the text based format, human readable and language independent, right? This is nothing but the right binary, so the B indicates it is binary, as if so pickle dot dump, same similar to the JSON dot dump. So what we are dumping here, data along with the F. This is fine. Open again, so we have going with the read, we have to read, right? So we have to get the output. So now data.pkl, same thing, extension read. For reading, we are making use of R along with the B for the binary, as we are making use of the pickle here, as if binary loaded. This is fine. Print pickle loaded, pickle loaded, because we have to differentiate between the JSON as well as the pickle. So that is the reason I have given pickle loaded within the strings, right? So pickle loaded, the output, the same thing, same output we are getting. Name Bharadwaj, age 31, languages Python, Java, JavaScript. So this is it for the file handling and serialization part. This is it for the file handling and serialization part, right? So again, why didn't I type? Because I had just finished the finished making of the video. So there was some problem with the video. It got stuck actually. Only voice was there till the end. First 2 lines or 3 lines, it got stuck. The video got stuck basically. So that is the reason uh, I didn't type anything. Instead, I went with the code and this one definition part as well as the some important points directly. Right. So this is it for the file handling and the serialization part, man. Next, we'll be discussing about the